Afternoon to you, everyone. Good afternoon, our prospective students, those that are willing and they are ready to take up admission with us uh, for September 2026 intake into the UK. This afternoon, I want to talk about one of our partner universities in the United Kingdom by name Wrexham University. Wrexham University is one of the best leading universities in the United Kingdom and is located in Wales, which in a serene environment which afford give the student the opportunity to have a very good time for their studies. At the same time, Wrexham University offers low tuition fee for students, which begins from £12,500 and above, depending on the course the student is going for. At the same time, we have scholarship available for every student, whether you are going for undergraduate or you are going for masters. We have minimum of 1,000 to 4,000, between 1,000 to 4,000 pounds scholarship, and we have diverse courses. We have a number of courses that is available for postgraduate students and undergraduate students. And I will implore those that are planning to study in the UK for September 2026 to take this very opportunity and join this moving train going to Wrexham universities in the United Kingdom. So my students out there, or our prospective students out there, why not take this very good opportunity and study at Wrexham University? Now, the most interesting part of it is that they still allow students to pay the remaining balance in installments, maybe in 3 equal installments or 4 equal installments. So while I'll be very glad to welcome you guys to study with us at Wrexham University. Thank you.
Yeah, my name is Bola Jogno. I'm a student of Wrexham University and I'm a product of Slide International Travel Agency. This is a proof for you to show that Slide is the one that got me this visa, this UK visa, and they are the shop plug. And if you want a UK visa or student visa or visiting visa, just contact Slide International. They will make a deal come to you. Thanks.